back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Scott Alden. And a 2.5 of Ted Johnson Jr. It's going to be the 81. John Melvin takes him to the green flag. 2 laps. Already a different racing groove for all of these competitors drifting down to the racetrack. Oh, sideways goes the 81. John Melvin hanging on to it. Melvin for the final time. Middle entry, low exit, just the way he likes it. Melvin, top of the boards, 13.95. The 81 machine, 13.95 for John Melvin. Fastest of 3 competitors, John Melvin in the 81, 13.95. P2 in the 44, Scott Alden, 14.23. Ted Johnson Jr. Hey, getting some intel on him. He had a little bit of an issue with his motor, is having a miss. So getting that 25 out on the Speedway is a feat in itself. He is 3rd quick with a 15.21. Our next trio to qualify from Coal Grove, Ohio. In the number 81, Burlisle Petroleum, late model, Matt Melvin. Driver of the Mach 5. Afterburner Performance, Dome Cycles, Octane Race Products from Poco, West Virginia, the 5-time champ, Zach Milby. And in the number 98 machine, Tim Sabo. John Melvin gets jumped by Matt Melvin in the 81 M, 13.499 for Matt Melvin, puts him at the top of the boards. Zach Milby, lap number 1, quickest overall by a substantial margin. 1.291 for the 5-time of Zach Milby. Second lap for the 5-time champ, going to be just a shade slower. 6 competitors qualify. It's the 5-time in the Mach 5. Zach Milby from Poco, West Virginia, top of the boards. Quick time with a 1.291 for Zach Milby. The 81 MP2 on speed, 13.13 for Matt Melvin. Tim Sabo in the number 98 machine, 3rd quick overall with a 13.43. Out on track now in the tailor-made hairstylist 84 Lumbers J&S Custom Contracting from Sissonville, West Virginia in the 2.7, Wyatt Irving. And the Capel Automotive, Ron's Auto Convenience, McCormick Auto Detail from Parkersburg, West Virginia, Corey Delancey. And in the 44 machine, you know him at Skyline Speedway. You know him at Atomic Speedway in Southern Ohio. In the 44, Casey Burdett. Corey Delancey in the number 56 machine goes to 3rd quick on lap number 1. 13.18 for the number 5.6 of Corey Delancey. Checkered flag displayed for Corey Delancey and company. No better that time for the number 5.6 of Corey Delancey. Casey Burdett in the 44 Bravo jumps 1 spot into that fast 4 position. 13.24 for the KC Burdett 44 Bravo. Wyatt Irving in that bright pink number 27 machine, 6 quick on speed, 13.762 for the number 27, competing for the Chew on This Jerky Rookie of the Year. From Mineral Wells, West Virginia, Corey Galbraith. In the Pike Street Lane, Zide Sports Shop from Parkersburg, West Virginia, the Wild Child in the 37 Foxtrot. That is Wayne Francis. Christy Euler in the U2 out there on the Speedway in the Ray's Garage Machine. Lap number 1 for Corey Galbraith, going to put him P8 on speed, 14 flat. The U2 of Christian Euler, P10 on speed, 14.34. Wayne Francis in the 37 on lap number 1, 14.926. Kristen Uhler jumps up to the 6th position on speed right now, 13.725 for that U2. Corey Galbraith right now P9 on speed in the 21G, 14 flat came from his first lap. And Wayne Francis in the 37F Wild Child, P11 of 12 right now, 14.926 for the Wild Child of Wayne Francis. And the Jenkins Auto Parts Whiskey Run Endeavors McDonald Dotson Racing, number 97, 2024 Chew on This Jerky Rookie of the Year. That's Steven Dotson. And Old Dad, Thomas and AJ Logging, Nicholson Auto Sales, Key Oil Company, Slicks Customs, multi-time track champion here at Tyler County Speedway from West Union, West Virginia, Donnie Dotson. And in the Rogers Brother Racing, Bear Contracting, Applied Construction Solutions from Spelter, West Virginia, into 2-3, Derek Rogers. Donnie Dotson goes to the top of the boards on his first lap.